What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Cece's Adventure again. As you can see, I don't have makeup on my face. Like, it's just moisturizer only. And I have a little bit of dark circles here. So, for today's video, guys, we are going to do some makeup. But actually, it's not tutorial, guys. Because I'm not a professional makeup artist. But this is only in my own way. So, naka-background si Tito Ken ngayon. So guys, yan. I am done with my hair. So, hindi ko lang siya inaano. Konti lang. So, ayan. Right now, we will start to do a makeup thingy. Not a tutorial, ha? This is, ito yung way of putting makeup. The way that I'm putting makeup in my face, guys. So, first, kakamayin ko na tong, this one, I got it here. Meron ako dito na, magtatagalog ako. Meron ako ditong L'Oreal na Premier. Ano ba to? Primer pala. So, this one, guys, ito yung, siya, ilalagay siya before anything else. Perfect Match Concealer. So, ito yung perfect.
Let's put it top 10. Ayan. Sa mga uneven sa mo? Sa face.
Then after, we will put the powder. So guys, these are the powder that I am going to use today. So ito yon, yung MAC SPF 15. Anong number to? It's Studio Perfect Compact. Ito yun, guys. Not sure if you will. And then I also have it here as Sephora. So yung gagawin ko, guys, imimix ko yung dalawang kulay kasi acidic ako. So, yung MAC is lighter siya, tapos yung Sephora 28 is medyo siya, medyo may pagka-brownish yung kulay niya. So, kasi siya, perfect for siya, morena. Guys, next one is the City Bronzer that I have from Maybelline. So, ayan. Ito yung itatap natin at saka ano ba yun? Pangalan yun? I-blend. Next one will be, so, gusto ko tong L'Oreal na to, pero medyo smudgy siya. So, ito na lang gamitin ko yung Maybelline for the kilay. Ako marunong mag-drawing sa kilay. So, ito na, guys, yung ating kilay 2020. O, diba? O. So, ngayon, we will do the, hindi ako marunong mag-ganito. Pero, let's try lang, ha? Next natin is, maganda na ba? Next natin is yung piluka natin. So, ayan na guys. Hintayin lang natin na medyo, medyo dry siya. Para, let's do second. Let's put, I have it here, a Born Peppa from MAC. Contour. So I have here Maybelline Contour Studio, Face Studio. Ganun mo lang. And I also use this for my nose lines. Ito, para ma-even siya. Kita niyo? Ayan, nose line. So, ang taas na ng ilong ko. And now, lastly, meron tayong, kasi hindi talaga ako maglalagay ng ano ba yun? Eyeshadow, guys. Kasi yung mata ko, yung iso. Yung parang tiger ba? Yung, yun? Sa Tagalog. Anyway, so, kasi may black na yung eye ko dito. So, no need na sa eyeshadow. So, now, highlighter. What's the color? Shell cream color. So, yan. Dip mo lang siya. Ito yung kulay. Dip mo lang siya konti. Tapos, you put it in your... Guys, ito na yung face ko after everything na nilalagay ko. So, ngayon, we are going to put a lipstick. So, I have MAC lipstick. So, what I wanna do, guys, is I want to put, this is my favorite one. This is my favorite one. First coating ko siya sa aking lipstick. So, yung kulay niya is Soar Matte. So, ito yung ipang-tatap ko sa dark lipstick. So, parang ganyan siya na kulay. So, I guess we are done for today, guys. See? Ito yung diba? So, ito na yung finished product, guys. Siya, 'di ba? Hindi kasi siya yung masyadong makapal na makeup sa face mo if gusto mo everyday use lang. So ganito yung face ko, guys. But normally, hindi ako maglalagay ng eyeliner. So yan guys, thank you for watching in my video. I appreciate all your effort na na-watch nyo yung mga videos ko guys. If you are new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you will be updated in my new videos. Ayan lang. Have a great weekend everyone. Bye for now until my next video.